Once upon a time, the people of Israel used to go to the temple and pray, but deep inside, they were not truly sincere. They keep back a part of their income, the tithes, that they were supposed to give to God. They secretly held it for themselves. Yet they keep asking, God, why are you not blessing us? Then God spoke through Malachi and said, You are robbing me. The people were shocked and replied, When did we rob you? God answered, You have not given your tithes and offering. Then God gave them a challenge. Test me in this. If you give faithfully and honestly, I will open the window of heaven for you and pour out so many blessings that there will not be enough room to store them.